Alright you guys, we're here today for a very special episode of Skate Everything Wars, The Mall. This is episode 1 of 2. Episode 2 will be next Sunday, so look forward to that. But we have some rules to explain to you guys. Pretty much what's gonna happen is before we go in, these two are gonna Rochambeau, and whoever wins the Rochambeau is gonna choose the store they wanna go to for episode 1. The loser gets to choose the store for episode 2. You guys can Rochambeau? Boom, episode 1 is Fetty and episode 2 is gonna be Nigel's choice.
What store did you have?
Yeah, what store do you have in mind?
Sears.
So as always, it is a $75 limit. The malls are a little sketchy security-wise, so Operation Not Get Kicked Out is in full effect today. We're gonna have to be very discreet. Fellas, are you ready?
I am Fetty.
Good luck, sir.
Can you not talk?
Good luck, sir.
No.
Why can't you talk? If you ever do that again,
So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna comb your hair the other way.
You know what? It'll still look good.
You know what?
What?
Good.
I feel like Skate Everything Wars is getting like really communal
I feel
lately.
like this is the worst.
Look at that bird. What mall
There's
is
this-
this, Fetty?
Stonebridge. It says it right there.
No, I know, but
Oh.
I'm just like for the people.
Pleasanton.
Wow. Oh.
Let's settle the debate right now.
Auntie Anne. Wait, is it Annie's?
Wetzel.
Auntie Anne's or Wetzel Pretzel? What is your choice? No, Nigel, no. We need to settle this.
Well, I really only go to Annie Ann's.
There it is. That's your answer. Fetty.
Are they like?
Wetzel's.
Okay.
Do
Duh.
they have cinnamon ones?
Wetzel's.
I just go because I don't
I've
even
only had that
notice
one.
the name.
Wetzel Pretzel all day. Leave a comment below whether you like Annie Ann's or whether you like Wetzel Pretzel, because that is like the world's unanswerable question.
No costume. Obviously, someone hasn't seen Final Destination. Hopefully, whatever Nigel picks doesn't hit me in the ankle. This is my problem always. I don't sit here and look for stuff. I just
Mess around.
mess around. Shovel.
What about a pitchfork?
Or
a rake? Why is there just a chainsaw blade sticking out of this box?
You gotta be on your toes. You know, I thought I had high hopes for this store. I thought it'd be better.
Yeah. This could work.
A hedge trimmer?
Yeah.
No.
A gasoline tub.
Work. That's a possibility.
That's beautiful.
Found it.
A microwave? $59. Yeah.
Oh, I've never been down here.
The only one I've ever been to was closing down, so everything was gone.
I have never been down here. Something different. We haven't skated a microwave, have we?
I don't think so.
Carlos.
Is he home?
Carlos? Oh no, he's not home. Just a lawnmower blade?
Oh, that could be actually dangerous and skatable.
Is it a blade?
Yeah.
You know what it's a blade to?
Lawnmower, probably.
Okay, you got some wits in there. Look at homeboy's just chilling.
Oh, he doesn't have a head.
Nope. I still like the microwave. It's a good idea.
Can we find a vacuum?
Oh my god, yes. Vacuums are so expensive now though. This is the vacuum I have at home. Wow.
We just have to like tape this up or something.
You could drill onto the bottom too. I'm sure that's under $75. Oh wait, that's it.
Yeah.
Wow. That's what you're picking?
Yeah, we do.
It's just an option, we're still looking around.
This is my number one option right here, so don't take it.
Yes. I do think we need a punching bag at the Braille house though. For anger purposes. Whoa, wait. Look at that chair, Fetty.
I know.
Hit it. I don't know him.
This one on sale for $69.99.
Oh, cool.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
We got a winner.
Alright, that's what you're going with?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that was deceiving. I thought the store was really large. It was just a mirror.
Are these Tempur-Pedic? Oh my gosh. Get on there.
Oh. Oh. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. I'm sure that's not how you're supposed to use it. So you're
Cool.
gonna go for the microwave?
Yep, going for the microwave then.
Seems like this place is going out of business.
Yeah, he does.
All right, Ken Moore.
All right, Ken Moore.
Kenmore kind of day.
This video is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just very concerned about the
We
radiation.
are going to be fine. Guess
Will you
what?
just take out that little thing?
Yeah.
No, I think we leave it in there.
Okay.
All right.
If he dies, he dies. Just kidding.
A little radiation's all right.
Hey, look,
Cut that
Fetty,
out.
there's a price check right there.
Oh, just like everything else in this place doesn't work.
Well, plugged in.
Oh, absolutely not. No way.
Why are you guys being weenies? Oh
Bro, do you
my
read?
God.
Did you read what that
No,
just said?
I didn't read it.
The magnetron, Jesus, inside a microwave can contain beryllium oxide, which can be fatal if it gets into the lungs.
Nigel, I'm putting the executive order and you're getting something else.
We skated a microwave before.
No, we didn't. No, we have not.
Easy bake oven is the same exact thing as this.
No, it is not.
The high voltage capacitor can give you a lethal shock even months after being unplugged.
It's never been plugged in.
Yeah. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. Did you try typing in, can you skate a microwave?
But do we want to skate this?
Yes,
No.
we're skating it.
So just don't breathe while you're skating it. You're good.
You're skating Elmo. You know what? No, you're skating another piano.
Little drifter.
How sturdy is that horse though?
Starting.
All right, are we paying?
I'm just gonna say this. This lithium-ion battery is way worse than a microwave.
Yeah, just don't drill into the battery.
What's her name?
Her name is Betsy. This
Betsy,
is
then.
Newberry brand Betsy.
Oh, you have to say it like that. This is Betsy. Freddie gets to name it. All right, what are you gonna name it?
Freddie, where are you going?
Let's go into the bathroom.
He's going to the bathroom. Okay, well, we're gonna go back to the car, and then we're gonna go back to the Braille house, and then we're gonna skate these things, but then we're also gonna go back inside for episode 2. So if you wanna check out episode 2, that's gonna be next Sunday. I wouldn't necessarily say it's like episode 1 and 2, it's more like part 1 and part 2. I knew you were gonna get those freaking pretzel bites.
Wow.
All right, you guys, simultaneous builds. Episode 1, pull Betsy out.
That's not her name.
What is her name? Oh, what in the world? You have to build it?
This sucks.
Why?
It's Betsy.
That is aggressive.
That is in there.
Nigel, you're really galloping through that build.
I'm gonna test out your board.
Wait,
I'm not
Fetty.
gonna test out your board.
this board, yay or nay?
No.
It looks so sad.
I might have to cut all this off.
Mario, we need scissors. Oh, yes.
Britney Spears.
That was really nice.
This is one lock. Oh, that makes a huge difference. I can actually get on now.
What are you doing?
Hold your horses. That's not straight.
I didn't mean it! All right. Wow.
There you go.
You
Russian
ready?
bow.
Are you ready?
Yes, I had to clean up the area.
I think it's been about 6 months since anyone actually vacuumed this place. All right, so you guys are just trying to gallop into it, all right? You guys just need to suck it up and just give it a sec. Let me explain what's going on here.
Pun, 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 pun.
Now you guys can Rochambeau. Hit it. All right, Nigel, I think yours is going to be substantially easier to ride.
I don't think you realize how flimsy that is.
I hate spiders.
I'm finally a wizard, Mom.
This is going to be a very interesting game.
I dodged it.
You want another go? Oh!
Not even screwed in there.
I know you want to break that already.
Mm-hmm.
Do it!
Oh!
Very good.
Nigel's is borderline completely unskateable, but I would rather have it be unskateable than die due to a microwave.
I'd rather die to a microwave. That felt good.
Not bad.
Who are you gonna call?
Nigel.
Or you got Ghost?
Yep. There's actually been one in here for a while.
I got my Ghostbuster 6000. Sucks up all the ghosts. Oh, I see him right now. Goodbye, Ghost!
You're not a real Ghostbuster.
I'm not a real Ghostbuster.
You don't have the outfit or anything. I'm supposed to trust you.
All right, hit it, Nigel. Oh no. Teddy, what happened to his legs?
Extra shovability.
Ow! Ow!
His legs get more twisted every time you see him. I think Sears could be the worst place ever. Oh no.
Do we agree to disagree that we both won and lost?
Well, thanks for watching.
What are you doing? It's perfectly fine.
Still alive and kicking, man. Oh.
You lost a couple screws.
All right, well, guys, we have a serious problem. And that problem is that for the first time ever, we have two losers. And like I said before, it's not about winning, it's not about losing. Fed, you can hold your horses.
You're holding my horse.
So the vacuum, we're not gonna break because it still works. It's too nice to break. We can use it to actually clean this place. But this thing, we're ready to just send it home. You gotta make it first try. Oh! My legs.
It's still fine.
The second it was thrown up in the air, Fetty already wants to get it stuck on the beam. Oh! 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 Dude! It's neck!
Oh, you broke its neck! Please don't hit me.
What's happening right now is that Fetty's trying to get it stuck up there, but Nigel's playing a game with himself.
Check it.
I'm staying exactly still. I'm not moving. If it's coming at me, he's not moving a muscle. You got it, Fetty. Oh! Oh!
Not.
Oh my God! That was right here.
I didn't move. Daniel, I am trusting you 100% with my life right now.
Why do you keep getting closer?
I don't know. It's a fun game for me right now.
You lose.
Oh, right on the neck.
Wait, where is the hair coming from?
It smacked the ground and sprouted chest hair.
Magically spawned chest hair.
The calculations are a bit off.
This is probably the most entertaining part about this entire video. Just throwing this horse around.
Yes! All right, you guys, well, that video was a lot different than we expected, okay? We went to the shopping mall. That part was very fun, but it turns out that there isn't much great stuff to skate at the mall. And just seriously, this is only part one. No, I got it. If I hold on to Nigel, we got that for sure. Wait! Ow! Oh, my shoulder. Well, anyways, yeah, like I was saying, there's not really that much great stuff to skate at the mall, but this is only part 1. So next week, next Sunday, we're gonna have part 2. Part 2, episode 2, whatever you want to call it, is gonna be next Sunday. These guys are losing their minds right now. And we'll see what exciting things we have to skate in the next episode. Stop! Stop! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. No! Whatever. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed that video of Skate Everything Wars Mall Edition Part 1. So like I said, Part 2 is going to be next week. We have a really exciting episode for you planned then as well, so get hyped for that. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and check out the Skate Everything Wars playlist. There's so many episodes. Thank you guys, you seriously are the best, and we will see you tomorrow.